This is a tutorial for playing my game, Ethertail. But if you guys want to use it for other Twine games, Twine 2, then feel free to. So first thing you want to do is go to the GitHub page of whatever game you want to download, but in this case it's going to be Ethertail, my fan game. GitHub. And then you want to go to the releases, go to the most recent version, and then in this case it's going to be the zip, ethertail.zip. Download. Alright, so now that it's done downloading, we're going to open it up. And you want to, you can use WinZip, but you can also just extract it from the file manager. So we're going to go back to downloads, internal storage, downloads, then I've got Ethertail here, extract, Ethertail game, let's call the folder. And now it's extracting. Alright, so once you get to this point, you can go into the export folder and then go index.html. Because my default is Opera, or my browser, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to undo a default opener. So we'll go into settings. You want to go into apps. And then find the app that has the default opening. Then when you go to there, you want to go find set as default, or something similar. And then you want to go clear defaults. So now, when I open up that file, it will ask me which one I want to open it with. If you accidentally did HTML viewer and set it to a default instead of any browser that you have, you can do the same thing, but it's going to be hidden because it's a specific type of app that doesn't show up right away. So we're going to do show apps, show system apps, and that will show you the stuff that you couldn't see before. Let's see. These are all C's, D, E, F, G, H. There we go. HTML viewer. And then set as default, the same thing, and then clear defaults. And you should be good. If you want to hide the system apps, you can go hide system apps from the same menu. So now we're going to go back to the home page and open it up. So I'm going to set my default to Opera, because I like Opera. So my game has an online version for the mobile because I can't seem to get images to work otherwise. So I just host the images online, and there you go. Push return and you're good. And you'll have images. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I will see you next time. Bye.